Hey everyone! Have you ever stopped to think about how mysterious water really is? It's everywhere and in everything. But do you have any idea how strange it can be? In today's video, I'm going to show you some facts about water that go way beyond what you might imagine. And here's a little hint. You're going to be blown away by what you'll discover. Let's dive in. Water, the Earth's superhero. Did you know that water is a superhero of the Earth? And I'm not exaggerating. It has the ability to transform into 3 different states: solid, liquid, and gas. But the most mind-blowing part is that, unlike most liquids, water is denser in its liquid form than in its solid form. This means ice actually floats on water. How crazy is that? Ice, which is solid, floats on liquid. This happens because water molecules form a structure in ice that creates empty spaces, making it lighter. And this is super important for life on Earth because if ice sank, it would cover the oceans and wipe out a lot of life. Mind-blowing, right? Water's memory. Now, what if I told you that water has memory? Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's true. Water has the ability to remember the substances it's come into contact with. This phenomenon is called water memory. Scientists have conducted experiments showing that even when water is diluted to the point that the original molecules are no longer present, it still holds an imprint of that substance. This could even help explain some curious effects of homeopathy. Pretty surreal, huh? Water and its ability to sustain life. Did you know that water is essential for life as we know it? But that's not all. Water has a superpower called surface tension. Now, this might sound like a technical term, but basically, it means that water can stick to itself, forming droplets and allowing certain insects to walk on its surface. Ever seen those little bugs walking on water? They don't sink because of this incredible property. Without it, many aquatic creatures wouldn't survive. Water is literally the glue that holds life together on Earth. Water hidden in the atmosphere. Have you ever thought about how much water is in the air? That's right. Water isn't just in rivers, lakes, and oceans. About 0.001% of the Earth's water is in the atmosphere as vapor. This is what creates clouds and gives us rain. But the coolest part is that the water in the air also helps regulate the Earth's temperature. Without atmospheric water, the climate would be a total mess. Imagine a super hot and dry day, or a freezing cold winter all the time. That wouldn't be fun, right? Water, the mystery of the boiling point. Now hold on to your seat for this one. Did you know that water can boil at different temperatures? That's right. For example, at the top of a mountain, water boils at a lower temperature than it does at sea level. Why? The air pressure is lower, which makes the water reach its boiling point faster. That's why cooking at high altitudes can be a challenge. Food takes longer to cook. Water, which seems so simple, actually hides a ton of secrets, right? Invisible water. What if I told you that water can also be invisible? That's right. Pure water has no color, taste, or smell. It's completely transparent. But when it mixes with other substances, that's when it reveals its true potential and transforms the world around us. So, the next time you take a sip of water, remember that you're drinking something way more incredible than it seems. Did you enjoy discovering all of this about water? Drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing facts like this. Oh, and share this with your friends. Who knows, maybe they'll be just as amazed. See you in the next video.